Alright, Kokose TV, the Phyllis, the Bremo said in Shane City, and he said the more Muslim no. A fabulous time, fabulous hour. A fabulous time, fabulous hour. A fabulous time, fabulous hour. Kodoko Mrenie, it a Kodoko stories and neighbor. A Santu Kodoko Sem and Kwan neighbor. In summer, a related to Kotoko, and summer a Fakotoko, and summer Kotoko Timnim. And no eba and no pay re it would ye and it's over no subscribing no share over no subscribing no share over no subscribing no share not what the page no what dance here and the chairman say a ban exclusives a ban authentic news a ban of fearless ahodo up to speed info ni nyina e wo YouTube Kokose TV e wo YouTube Kokose TV anopayin semoba anopayin semba bro nya bosumi we de meka to no anse hwe ohuye da bia meka me hwe ohuye abaya wutie mi hwe ohuye abrante wutie mi wo hwe mi hwe ohuye hwe wabrabo ye na wudi agora Xmas ne de ubedi o na so akire no ahwe 2022 ahwe 2022 behu betanya ni je mfa mawo efri ne ekokosi 31 December emunsem eti wotwe hu nwi eye bebrebe Timinu ya misro, show huye, yo. Assembly etiawa, eti subscribe ne share, we aya kodoko nsem, ena eba, we ya sante kodoko news, ena mede ebreo. So otem komana se, aya de aba, we say Kokose TV or YouTube no, ya chiche. After match, aya scoreboard. Your ball league matches we are, and you many a scoreboard ya deba. And you may be also analysis, yet the 200 mount. What you say, after presentation, you should to the Temuti, Yasha be a kama. I the bro. I will say yes, and Panyamani them. More motion in Yamisho Bibia, Augustine, oh, Italy, Bologna. Only other 4 in Yamisha Munina, said be a moshe. Oh, Bologna, Ufri Domahin, Kruamesu, Yamisha Paoni, guys, no. Yamisha Munina, Adamu, Mr. Mensamo. What I said, the Chemo, Yamisha Shamunina, Italy. Croatium ho said in share is dada Yamisha ewo Italy for Yamisha Shamo. What I say Nyami bra Kobe ewo Germany Yamisha. What I say offer Germany Yamisha UK for the bebrebe Yamisha Shamunina said in share no and US for the mechano makane say US mechano makane say Mr. Safo eno menu din komo kama Yamisha Shamunina said in Shano Esitie, Eho, Mammy Fansam Nimgon Famo, Asia for Yamisha Shamo, Asia for Dubai for Kaka for 1 4 Nina, Yamisha Shamunina. Now, as I take the Comino Casamako room, our Golden Beam, our Golden Beam Hotel, as I take the Tim Nomino Casas, or more Golden Beam Hotel. Now, the Omoye and he said, Betika, sponsorship, no, now no shall go Tim Nature, the Betika bia ho mosibo afino omutua close 15 billion enya nkola esika kra omusika ni mu odu ete bia chire ho enne no official launching koso kodo company for your official launching enne wo Golden Beam omuwi a hia se wo ye kodo supporter na obebeti a also obeti Betika also obeti wo Betika I think say omu wo enema bebrebe di mamo ehihye bebrebe ho di mamo say DVL NLA National Outreach for the no one would buy product is share woman 5 no one omo de etiwe so omo bewie no omo de niam bebre ba beto e de amakodoko supporters a mo be beto Betika nti de etem no omo awo special product a omo de amakodoko supporters eti mo hye no so sa emfa mame na ame komani emnantia no mo prepare asante kodoko ese obi a ho atono te se obi a you fully fit akobasa ne kodoko bobo a omo nyina obi a betumi abobi obi a Yusuf Bubalik e fully fit Richmond Lamptey e fully fit Richmond Lamptey e fully fit Richmond Lamptey e fully fit Christopher Nati e fully fit Christopher Nati e fully fit Patrick Asma e fully fit Patrick Asma onu so fully fit enti kodoko boys a no ma prepare no te se obi a ho atono te se obi a ye okay te se obi a gina ne na so o te se obi a ye okay obi a ho atono obi a gina ne na so a te se good news at the man Sante Kodoko. The see no mo betre 1 week. say weekends kodoko mobo but weekends kodoko babo friendly match but enya baba yara sports because king face abebo bo baba yara sports stadium o ti ase king face abebo bo baba yara sports stadium weekends omne Almina Sharks king face and Sharks and bebo Friday ya Asante Kodoko Chinachi Friday Kodoko bo match Chinachi Friday Asante Kodoko bo match Kodoko ko be poso normally Dr. KK Sapon say oye nana Sapon amini nkonwa din ni de ofenso ma hene o ti ase ye de be sia de so nansen ya wo ofenso Dr. KK Sapon Asante Kodoko former board chairman executive board chairman Asante Kodoko Dr. KK Sapon say onu na ekodi hene ewo eye ofenso na wi afia kenten enya ne ba bi koye no nipa okakodi na ade no eye Dr. KK Sapon enti onye nipa keto akwade so we nana mo komeda achi TV a be 2 weeks ni na me de ne video eto ho no say nana okakodi hene wo ho etu ko ho be say the video no eda Medachi TV. Also, I know subscribe to Medachi TV. Etitim no, Dr. KK Sapon dia Asekim FC. Asekim FC. Enu na nyame ya aduma Friday. Asante Kodoko no mo kwa kobo be poso. Friday Asante Kodoko ko be poso. Na Dr. KK Sapon di Chrome so ne wo. Di Chrome so ne wo nti wo ko ho. Omo ko no me Kodoko tim no Kodoko tim ne ko no me Asekim FC akwa be poso. Na de matie ni se 5 series and then 10 series gate fees 5 series and then 10 series and no beje be possible no wa bra Asekim ato ne sade afre Asante Kodoko because we can see Kodoko mo league match on betna fie etine hu behia se Asekim for be take this opportunity no e de anya sa free match no etumi abo and don't forget se bronya mu an ya konti matches bebrebe e be susu matches bebrebe wu abranta de din e de Kodon Cancer Lewin, aqua signed ama edubias unim de wom. The last time I did the video ba say on the company for dim command ball intia. And then edubias say owo ba so no ba boa. Kodon Cancer ebebo ball nibia. I very much or they won tria crown 100 million on budget because of Kodon Cancer. Because of Kodon Cancer. Me see me gina ho and a Go Stars impanyim for buy. Bigina ho and Azakes impanyim for buy no money edubiase and negotiate and walk catch them or say Azakes league matches na a league match and mobile but so person me do Kodon Cancer baby a your home me the neighbor na die promo major 5,000 or no boni home match a league match but se Kodon Cancer baby a because supporters member pack into obedi Azakes for 5,000 so mun twa down for Kodon Cancer ma Go Stars for since a break bema bronye on be so money on bebo Kodon Cancer baby a dubia so mbeji no 100,000 10,000 100 million because of Kodon Cancer. You see on a business you be Christmas me and matches bebrebe na be toto for ma say dey sit and so eno no na eno na me be to woni say Asante Kodoko management aye official protest e dey tell referee Julian Nunu ene na boafo on be boa no Kodoko King Felsa e wo baba yara sports stadium e ba na wieye na King Felsa sha Kodoko 3-2 na eno me catch us say offside goal na referee no e say offside one goal e clean goal e perfect goal sa Kodoko goal no e clean goal e offside goal friend say e perfect goal e clean goal enya offside kete nipa na no e offside one interfere game no e Kodoko gire no so e dey protest or more every right so me yes protest because referee na anya dey sa ball no referee ni jigo a e bia ka game no betimi asesa game no betene me gitum King Felsa penalty e clear penalty e fi bia ne Kodoko goal no e clear goal e clean goal e different from penalty. It is all the same to omo protest no any penalty na ogia wasase ensa nya penalty no on be so muhu e kwankro fa so a o disallow do penalty on wan kasa agie no say why na catch them no o yusu va anasa den I think say Kodoko e wo right na sa protest na Kodoko akwa ye no eno na Kodoko NCC no I say omo support 100%. Omo support omo management 100% because say a boss no one taking action now what tell na ye enya hwe a ye do se kan be dwa nanka da bia referees ma be din se hunu sa no oboko enne ya o tempt say o call referees so a ne ye do akọ remand 2 weeks ni de e say referees no wo freedom pa wo liberty pa freedom it will try so ba kọ so pe woni mira so na woda says anoti elia the better anyway mu ya no ayi tentem anoti kodo companyfo enso atwere edekọ NCC no enso omo back mpanyimfo no because anyesa entimi moa who said Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum say ono de onu se ball na ye penalty on the offside no kra won hwe enti ono nim se e clean e collect offside na referee da bi e clean goal go na ye clean goal penalty ni kra de me de makasa me stand me na so nya dem ja se ball no e giti akodoko ame me support nti we me support sa de but go ni there perfect goal clean goal on me offside ni baby what you say enunti eye pa so omo eye sa protest no eye sa ukọ ni etwe referee bia so a next time we do match na ni da ho obie nani o take decision o dwene hu tutu enunti eye na coach Prosper Nate Ogum say nani age ne mrantie no ho nani age ne mrantie no no mo ye recovery ana o dey to manim say moya ade mo performance no amazing sanse the way musi adapt to my system na me chira mo tentem no o se na no omo chira ise ampade na wo chira mo no omo ye despite say goals na ama despite say omo tin ku goal no ade pote wo chira wo mo no o se na no omo justify the park ni so omo demonstrate here e wo park ni so e de chira no say ampa adwuma na wo ye no omo usua ni ye mummo ball no obi ehun se ball no mo ball na obi oba park ni so no ehun se ampa kodoko ball no kodoko boy dey say I don't know say lack and then no side there o te so ball no and e bia one way or the other officiating so ankoye and so come because one mistake etimi say bibia me say bia sa goal no say ko gia because ji sa goal na anka ye 1-1 or so say 2-2 or so eti ka bibia betini asi what I say eti de tie wo ho enso niti nani age e na wo kyerem say supporters no montonko so na munya patient and from team no montonko so nya abotre munya time from team munya abotre na mo besere according to Bible o say na no na Sarah sreye na Sarah nso sreye eti won so da ache mo besere da ache kodoko support mo besere munya abotre coach say mo so mo besere pa asamo yabo asem ya ba na enu amia me yam analysis ana me koka say oh my fingers is blade me feel no game nim en kodoko supporters me use bebrebe so can the same thing say ye here blade say latest aba ni say latest aba e wo blade hu ni say a section of kodoko supporters a section of Kotoko supporters, a close section of Kotoko supporters. I see omu be yibima koto blade naba. Omu ba be yibima se coach impel. Omu ba kofa blade naba. Na so oba no ti bench na office mo aye dine so mane mo a eye wa wasem. Supporters favorite is also mane mo a eye wa wasem. Ose otates ne du ba bia ya adjust. E du ba bia ya adjust. O tate said there kura do baby a e be say amankura bie nipa ntimi nka ho asem bebre because coach na ye na djuma enti a cross section of Kotoko supporters aye ni bra asem na ye ka no a cross section of Asante Kotoko supporters I say o man ka say be ye yibima akwa koto justice blade number because o mu hia no and unim ade a aye no kre say Kotoko hia justice blade ni say Kotoko je league na so wo Africa wo hia justice blade wo team ni upe unya wo team nim Kotoko di league na okọ Africa uhia justice blade e wo team nim because Africa enye child play Africa enye child play nyankoda agudie Africa nyankoda agudie a serious business a pure business serious business nyankoda agudie etuwo kwa wunya wo mo ma we dare akuku dam anya bia justice blade akọ Africa miensa oni media ma akọ mienu oni Kotoko akọ baako eti anye bia akọ Africa miensa or rich experience akọ Africa miensa na se ye na Sundowns for edge ye no omre media ma sa ball media ma timi so ka media ma ko finals what I say eti supporters ni say omu here Justice Blay with team nim. And don't forget, Kotoko supporters and a Latif and Nabila ba Kotoko. Ure from America, Sante Kotoko supporters. And a Latif and Nabila no say Academa Ice Good. And I support the say Bako Tony the Naba. Daminyamu. And almost Omoko Ton Ed Naba. And power we a Yama Kodan the Bokotoko. And then Kotoko supporters say some money to Mupo. So support coach Umpo. Almost more by Digiska. Ako Kotako and Naba Kotoko team. And your supporters are said you do baby. And you almost said here like Real Madrid president say Ako for player with Naba. Coach Umpo or the Naba. Coach Umpo president Real Madrid Florentino player say me the CEO Ronaldo aba. Me the Kaka me the Naba. Umpo omo team ni. Me the Garibe aba. Sape pepe. And you could support the baby agenda Juno. Omo who say so mama ni anya dia. One hwe betu baby name betima ye because others enya red card obi ahu. They say Ekoba say or serve too much oh danger. Se Kobasa Agadas serve too much against Right Hammer United ultimate Mobi. And don't forget Mudasiru. And so against Right Hammer United ultimate Mobi 81-6. 81 Chelsea this all day. Kayeke, Emmanuel Kayeke, any Sharif and Ebo. Omumi Enuso and Shed Amfasa, Sharif Royal College 1 year. Yamin can answer. Kayeke Diano and Co years are. And Uti says support discuss Omoko for Justice Blade number. I think so Omuya right. Omuya right. Me support 200%. Me the player Onimbo Bobi Obako Toko Mepe. And we will be justify. Some Bobo Onimbo and will bet my Boko because or buy and Kotoko spirit and in the fight. Or show commitment at the Makotoko. Or show commitment at the Makotoko. Not the committed level now so. Not the commitment level, not a wasro. What I say, because the town I am Ponce Bana Obia na Aka Onkwa Okumase. Omo come and share on the Omo. Omoba light for unity. I saw them on a bomber for Bia Cola winning Nayan Ponsamo. For they could do a say. Your piano to be the Muniru Banti, yet mean for Justice Blade. Oh God. It is about the sister name, or we hear Justice Blade, all the discover where your support also get ready. Bobo Usikano. Also Bobo Usikano. Oh, your Kotoko supporter, baby, I will be a Missa was one budget. So don't say Justice Blade. I said Jesse no Kokoi, Bobby, it also shall say Bobo Usikano. Natam no so what the Abba. Tam no so also the contribution Abba. Net yet a quack of Falcon Anaba, I'm not a second Makotoko, and your Kotoko dear, and your Kotoko Nkoso, and your Kotoko resource will be etin will be any abre, and nothing will be any abre, it also supporter, also say Bobo Usikano, name Fanco Falcon Animra, not any come simple cry, not some of Fanasemunko. Kasim Mingle, your Bechem United coach, and was it Bechem for Muniko Namoso, or some Muniko Namoso. Mundi Kodoko Anamosu na nano Kodoko ne Carrera Koboye Carrera United for a protest at the tier referee no Media money can face a boy Media for a protest at the tier referee no it is a near Kodoko Anthony can face a bo na Kodoko protester and Bechem for Musmuntu Sana Monibi Muntuana Mona no Kodoko for to Musmunia protest and Fantel referee D and ye Bechem any Olympics no since a referee is see woman so mukra video no also go almost share referee na nyina omuhu and the Kodoko de yabi omuhu de enter referee na nyigo omunya clean penalty perfect penalty referee na nye omunim de enter referee na nyi sa penalty no omunim eti enei coach Kasim Mingle say Bechem panyifo monkoye official protest and fantel referee no monkoye official protest and no Kodoko ayede a monso monkonko ma montrase Montase sa referees made Mosikan Begananka. Said Agama na no beka say last season mukoye protest the tell referee bi. The free sa time referees this is simusa. Anya nunti and no message so besa akoma no tun. Still am wo ba mu koye tia omu. Your referees no ma so den. Your referees be nipa bonefo. E bi no mo nwene investment amoye no ho. Investment na club owners moye no. CEOs ahodo eye no. Referees bebe nwene ho. Omo selfish interest ni hia wo. Do omo nko abenya ni hia wo. Etu wo de ne kɔ na ye suspend na okɔ no ba na ni bɛda hɔ. Na ni ɛbɛda hɔ. Sanse kwase adu asabi mpanyifo so ye ntia so mienu. Oye no wan kan hwede ɛbɛyɛ ne de. Da bia odi bediw. Na yima no osa kofo January Jima no was for general. Former Bushman dwarfs. Asante House of Folk. House of Folk. Ofri House no ba kotoko. Ofri House and oba kotoko. Now the general say, in fact, you can say a draw. Kotoko main House of Folk say, kiti cry say. Wasisi you can say team be here draw pa. Ghana ha team piano better to House of Folk. Wasi House of Folk a draw. Kokubu Samchan watch almost so what you didn't go. Kokubu Samchan Oma. Or Cha almost say, what you didn't go. Nana Tobak in a pot. I tell Oma or Chom say what you didn't go. Nana Tobak in a pot. Or Che House of Folk were drummer. Or Chess or what you do be able to do. Or see has a draw. Kotoko, there was a Kotoko, the Obaka, see, I'm no keke. Or so Kotoko, operation, I am no keke, Omuni. Omun ko ba bia bo abo ha ya no mo ne no e se de no da bia san di kan abo abo ye fie ni abo abo busra mo se mo be ye draw abo o se hey House of Folk draw na no pay the time me say so we ba ni say me question ni say draw do ne ko si say draw yi na chi ye she 6 draw yi na chi team fu we Algeria team fu basa we team we eno me ka say Ghana it say Accra Lions it say Gold Stars. We a show 4. What's me here, Drew? What's me here, Drew? A drone team full a show 4. A drone for so benos. We are doing the call him. A drone also we House of Folk, your House of Folk, a draw, House of Folk, a draw, na a used to say Shomaha, na a big bomaha, any other day, the other says Shoman, any on Pumida Miro Fair de Kudiumpo. When you actually a show 4, a drone for so benos. Who shall subscribe in a share? Osha subscribe and share. The page you know what that's a chairman sign. So we Coco say TV. We Coco say TV. We Coco say TV. Osha subscribe and share. Me dachi TV show. Mon share me dachi TV na mon subscribe ni yonko yenim. Mon share na mon subscribe na yonko yenim. Bibia be fine. Bibia nkechi. Team na koye training anopa yapon. Kodoko team na training anopa o mapon. Asante kodoko team no mu nyina full house. O makoye training anopa yapon akawia. Ewi o mekwa ko training na asaye kama. Obesa training every Saturday akopim se ko sele be na o training right now United more hanom no na bibia afa na obia recover na bibia ye neat what I say e te subscribe na share na me more videos bibia be fine actually